Hello and welcome back to another video recipe from Eat Skinny Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make chicken pasta bake using Orzo pasta, really good comfort food and perfect for all the family. So let's get cooking. Okay, while that is in the oven, let me know in the comments below what type of pasta do you always go for? Is there a particular shape? Is there a particular kind? What type of pasta do you go for every time for your pasta meals? So let me show you what it looks like out of the oven. Pasta bake using Orzo pasta, really easy comfort food ready for all the family. Now if you have used Orzo before, consider hitting the like button, and also if you'd like to keep up to date with new videos, consider hitting the subscribe button for more inspiration and motivation in your weight loss journeys. I've been Rob and I will see you in the next one.